Hey friends, I'm going to install this solar powered security light on the barn here. Actually two of them, because there was two in this box. So in this particular package, two solar powered security lights. You can flip these around to hit different angles. That's kind of cool. Two remote controls, two mounting brackets, and some mounting hardware for each one. It does have like drywall anchors if you need them. What I was kind of thinking would be cool on these is if we actually put a magnet on this somehow. I've got a shipping container with no power to it. It'd be nice to have some light, so might try to rig that up. But yeah, let's just go try these out and see how these solar collectors work, see if they collect enough solar energy on the north side of a building to see if they'll light up the area. Okay, this one's going to be a breeze to install. Everything's super light. You don't have to have 8 hands to do it. It tells you which way's up on this bracket. I'm not even getting on a ladder right now. We're just going to keep this nice and close to the ground just to test it. This is easy. It just clips in. There's a little on-off button on the back side of this light. So I'll click it on for now. And it just slides down in this bracket. I mean, that is the easiest install I've ever done. So this is pretty great how this works. So you can angle these and flip them and flop them around. And these are actually a pretty solid foot there. They're nice and clear. And so this will be our solar sensor. So this will turn on at dusk. And we'll angle these to kind of light the whole area up. But yeah, I can also angle this solar catcher. So we're going to just see if we can here. So you can already see it's getting some sunlight on it. That's what we need. Well, there we go. Full-on sunlight. PIR mode, where it senses people walking by. So that's what we're going to set these guys to. All right, that one's working pretty good. Let's go see about the north side of the building. That one works good too. Perfect. Exactly what we're looking for. Security lights on either side of the building. That'll light up the night a little bit because it gets very, very dark out here. And yeah, apparently they got more than enough solar rays or whatever to make them work. They're plenty bright. I can see all around this front side of the barn. Won't be stumbling and falling anymore when I'm walking around out here at night. All right, sounds good. We'll see ya.